Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant, and in this video, pag-usapan natin itong another hot topic or hot issue ngayon is yung 20% tax on bank savings. So, if pansin nyo, may question mark dyan because in today's video, pag-usapan natin if talagang 20% ba yung tax sa ating bank savings. So, this is effective July 1 because of yung napas yung bagong batas, yung SEMEPA or the Capital Markets Efficiency Promotion Act. So, beginning July 1, 2025. So, pag-usapan natin today, ito talaga yung pinaka-controversial na topic is yung 20% tax on bank savings. So, let's start. So, yung unang tanong talaga dito is, what is being taxed? Diba? Ano ba talaga yung itatax ng 20%? So, the 20% is the final tax on interest. So, take note, yung interest earned yung itatax, hindi po yung total na bank savings natin or total bank deposits. Madami kasing nagpo-post or sa social media, alam naman niyo na may mga memes pa nga na 20% tax on savings yung nilalagay. But the truth is, yung itatax is the interest earned on our bank deposits. So, actually, yung controversial nito is ano ba ano ba 'to, bagong tax ba 'to, yung 20% final tax on interest? The answer is hindi na po 'to bago. Yung ginawa lang nung SEMEPA is ini-standardize niya yung tax or meaning for all ano na 'to, interest on bank deposits is 20% final tax na. Before SEMEPA kasi, that was the NIRC pa, 1997 pa yun, di ba? 19 kopong-kopong pa. Simula noon, tinatax na yung ating mga interest on bank deposits. If pansin ninyo, yan, may example tayo sa baba is monthly pa nga yan. If i-check ninyo yung inyong yung bank account ninyo, may interest withheld dyan na sa ating example is 0.01 and yung interest na natanggap natin is 0.04. So sa example na ito, yung sa baba, kita nyo is 0.05 yung interest, di ba? Ganun kalaki. So 20% nun, yung final tax is 0.01. So yung net na natanggap natin na interest is 0.04 na lang. So ayan. So yung ano talaga dito is point nito is before SEMEPA, ito yung mga tax, final tax. If yung maturity is more than 5 years, so exempt to. So example nito is mga long-term na may time deposit kayo na 7 years. So that is more than 5 years na. So yung interest nun is tax exempt. So that was before SEMEPA. But nung implementation ng SEMEPA, starting July 1, so yung mga long-term na time deposits, for example, 7 years, is may tax na yung interest earned nun na 20% final tax. So if pansin nyo, if may mga maturity na 4 to 5 years, ayan, 5%. Maturity na 3 to less than 4 years, 12%. And ito yung common natin is the maturity of less than 20 years, 20%. So before SEMEPA, iba-iba yung final tax rates natin. But with the passage of the SEMEPA or the Act on July 1, effective ito. So lahat yan is ano na, standard na similar or lahat na ng interest on bank deposits is 20% na yung final. So ano na, patas na lahat. Hindi na mag-matter ko yung long term pa or yung maturity is more than 5 years. So lahat yan ng interest on bank deposits will be 20% final tax. So ayan. So that may ano tayo, clear tax computation or we can sample, kumbaga may example tayo dito, is before SEMEPA, if pansin niyo interest on regular savings bank, so savings account, I mean, ito yung common na we have, di ba? Itong mga regular savings bank account. So before SEMEPA, if yung computation yan, sa ating example is may 100,000 kayo, and yung annual interest niya is 0.0625%, di ba? Ganun kalaki. So yung annual na interest earned natin for that is 62.50, and may final tax rate tayo na 20%. So yung amount of tax na yun na sa ating savings is just 12.50. So that was before SEMEPA. If pansin nyo, with the SEMEPA, the passage of SEMEPA is same lang. Amount of tax is 12.50. So wala siyang pinagbago, walang pinagkaiba yung amount of tax natin. Before SEMEPA man or after SEMEPA, the same amount of tax na 20% na final tax. So 12.50 yung amount of tax sa ating example. So sa second example natin, so dito talaga affected is yung long term na time deposit. For example, more than 5 years. So before SEMEPA example, may 1 million tayo na time deposit na 7 years. Yung interest rate niya is 4.29%, for example. So yung interest earned is 42,900. So before SEMEPA, walang tax yan. Tax exempt. So final tax rate natin is 0%. So yung amount of tax niyan is 0. So after the SEMEPA law or the act, yung interest niyan, the final tax rate is 20% na. So amount invested is 1 million. So yung interest niya is 4.29%. So yung interest earned natin for that time deposit is 42,900. So ito na yung difference talaga, is may final tax rate na 20% yung lahat ng interest on bank deposits. So yung amount of tax niyan is 8,580. So yung affected lang talaga ng SEMEPA, yung portion doon na 20% final tax is yung mga long-term na bank deposits. So according sa BSP then, the 98% na actually nung mga savings ngayon is nagpo-fall nung below below 3 years. So mga short term lang talaga or mga regular savings account lang yung common na bank accounts natin, which is yun nga, may final tax rate na 20%. So yun. So yun lang atong video for today. Yan, just some clarifications lang doon sa 20% tax on, dapat ilagay dyan, interest earned on bank savings. So, my name is Peter again, your Pinoy accountant. If may mga tanong kayo, just comment down below. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in our next videos.